Know Thyself Talk Show. I'm your host, SBA Marketing Management, Block 2. And today we're exploring a big question, who am I? We'll use two perspectives, which is Freud, id, ego, superego, and needs and I. But first, let's meet our special guest, Miss Patricia Batumbakal. So, Miss Patricia Batumbakal, this is my question for you. Freud says our mind has three parts. How do those show up in your life?
Honestly, I see it every day in my personal experience. And my eye always says, I want to sleep and skip my first class. Or, I want to buy a new phone right now, but my super ego quickly jump into, no, you have responsibility to go to class, save your money. Then my ego finds a middle ground. Okay, get up for class, but treat yourself with a milk tea later. Or save money now, but plan to buy a new phone after finals. And sometimes, Freud's story show me how I constantly balance between what I want and what I should do. It's a battle inside my head, but it makes me more aware of my choices.
Theory 2, needs, I, and me. Now, what about George Herbert? Needs idea of the I and the me.
Oh, that's a big one in my life. That I is the free, spontaneous side of me. The one who wants to post random funny videos on social media and hang out with friends. Sometimes watch K-drama until 2 a.m. And the me is the side of shaped by how others see me, like a student. I know I should manage my time and act responsibly and think what will my classmates and teachers think if I don't do my part. And sometimes, so my I wants instant fun, but my me reminds me that I'm also building my reputation and future. Together they shape how I act to every day.
So, next question. How do these theories help you as a future businesswoman?
They remind me that I'm a human. I always have a wants, but also have our responsibilities. Freud's story teach me balance, not just giving into pleasure, but not being strict to myself either. May's story reminds me that as a future businesswoman, this helped me grow into someone who can guide others while staying true to myself.
Remember, understanding ourselves is the first becoming great businesswoman. See you next time. Bye!